Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the language of the CarVertical application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the My Account option down below, which is the last option, and after that scroll down till you find this last button, and here, as you can see, you have a vast variety of options that you can choose from, and tap on the relevant one that you want to change the language of the application for, and as you can see, the language has been updated automatically. So feel free to go back to this section anytime you want to change the current language of the app. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.